Paano po yun, sir? Kayo mismo may ethics complaint? Paano po yun i-handle since kayo po rin po yung chairman?
I don't know. We are just, konti lang naman kami. I can inhibit siguro when the subject of my complaint will be taken. But I don't think there's really grounds for it, no? Because first of all, wala pang committee, eh. No, it has not been manifested, it has not been completed. So, paano ako nagkaroon ng negligence? Paano ako magpapatawad ng meeting? Wala nga kaming members, di ba? And it was not my fault that it was not read and formally manifested kasi nga inaabot na siya ng break, inaabot na siya ng budget season, ng budget hearings, inaabot na siya ng BICAM and then break again. So the only chance that it will have the opportunity to be read and manifested and for it to be constituted, I think itong January lang.
So sir, you believe walang grounds ito? Hindi magpo-prosper, you think? Yung
Kasi
racks against it, sir.
how can I act on the complaints that he's saying when I am the only one, wala nga akong member, how can I act when I cannot call on the committee or convene the committee kasi nga walang members.
Mm.
So, ano yung pinagsasabi niya? Di ba? There is no committee to speak of as of the moment because it has not been formally manifested and completed in plenary. So, ano yung walang committee to speak of at this time.